You guys, you see that already? Oh my goodness. Hi guys, it's me Naja and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time catching one of my videos, then welcome. My name is Naja and I do beauty, lifestyle, and motherhood videos. So today I'm going to actually do a little maintenance video because you guys, this has been my daily mom attire, and let me just say, your girl has been just looking busted, okay? This is gonna be a little upgrading video. This is gonna be a maintenance video. I'm gonna show you how I basically transform. I'm gonna turn into this little, I don't know, sad person to something a little bit more appropriate, okay? All right. So, first things first, you guys, is going to be hair. Right now, I'm rocking a wig. This is Indique hair from Indique Hair Company. So, this is from their Pure Collection wavy hair. This is 24 inches. This is 3 bundles of 24 inches. And I am wearing a 16-inch closure. Now, this hair is too beautiful and too gorgeous to be in a ponytail. I'm rocking a wig because, for me, it is the most cost-effective. I'm able to make an initial investment of buying the hair, making a wig, and then wearing that whenever I want to, you guys. And so this hair with proper maintenance will last you at least a year. Easy. So right now we're just gonna put some curls in it. I feel like putting curls in my hair makes me feel like a million times better. Because alright, so first things first is I'm just going to go ahead and brush through this hair. You guys, this hair is absolutely gorgeous. This is their raw Indian hair. It is unprocessed. You can color this hair, you can cut this hair, you can straighten it, you can curl it. I have curled it. I have layered it. You guys, I did my own layering. I have not colored it, but that is on my list. So I'm just going to section off my hair. I put the top up, and then the bottom, I'm going to use my wand curler, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some loose wand curls in it. So I just take the hair, I lay it flat up against the hair, and then I just take it down the entire length of the barrel. Go ahead and turn it like this because this is how I want my curls to fall. And then I leave it on there for like, I don't know, 10 seconds maybe, and then I let it go. And then we have it. So I'm just going to take a little bit smaller pieces and do that all over. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and curled this hair. As you can see, these wand curls are gorgeous. Let me go ahead and stand up. You guys, this hair is so beautiful. Indique pure wavy hair. Love it. Let me just go ahead and put a little bit of mousse on the top. I don't do the whole like baby hairs and molding and all that kind of stuff, but I do want to just kind of lay it down in the front a little bit. But yeah, you guys, this is it. I'm not gonna comb out the curls just yet because I'm still working. So the next thing we're gonna do, you guys, are our brows. We are going to be using this Just For Me kit. I have never used it before, but I want to go ahead and use it because I feel like when my brows are done, my face is, you know, just done. So yeah, go ahead and pick up this kit up. This kit was $9.99. So in it, you get, this is what you get in it. It comes in a tray. You get a brush and you get a color and then developer. So this is for mustaches and beards, which is why I feel comfortable putting it on my face. Do not get the hair dye one because they are right next to each other. Get the one with the guy who has a beard. Alright, guys, so I've brought you in closer. I believe I'm in focus. And I'm just going to show you the other things that I have. that you're going to need for this application. So you're going to need some Vaseline. You can either use Vaseline or concealer, I've seen, and this is just to kind of line the bottom of the eyes to make sure you don't get any of the color on your skin or on the parts that you don't want to be dyed, basically. And then I have a pair of tweezers because I am going to go ahead and shape up my eyebrows, because right now they're a hot mess. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and tweeze them into the shape that I kind of want, and then I'm going to use the dye to basically fill that in and make it darker. So just go ahead. So I'm going to go ahead and stop there. I think we're in a good place. Now we're just going to apply the Vaseline. So I'm going to use a Q-tip and then the Vaseline, and I'm just going to basically protect the skin. You guys, this is my first time doing this, by the way, so bear with me because I really don't know what the heck I'm doing. So Vaseline is applied. Let's go ahead and now mix it. You guys, I am nervous. OMG. Okay, so I'm taking my own like little angle brush, and I'm going to use this just because I feel like I have more control. So I'm going to take the product on the brush like this, and then I'm just going to start filling it in. Okay, you guys, so as you can see, it's already starting to process. It's already getting darker. The ideal is to leave this on for 5 minutes. So at this point, I'm just gonna like watch it really closely and probably leave it on for like maybe another 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going to wipe it off. They say to wipe it off with a damp rag. I'm just going to take a baby wipe and wipe it off. You guys, you see that already? Oh my goodness. You guys, so it's getting dark and I'm getting a little bit nervous. So I'm going to go ahead and start wiping. Wow. Alright, so I definitely probably could have left this on a little bit longer. I'm going to put a little bit more on. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, so... Alright, so I just reapplied that for just one more minute. I don't know, I felt like it wasn't quite done yet. Alright, so like this side, I reapplied. Now I'm going to go back to this side and I'm going to wipe it off. Y'all, the instructions don't say to do this, okay? So... okay, guys, so there you have it. There are my brows. You guys, I don't know about you, but I love them. Like, boom, this is, I just woke up like that brows. And this is perfect. I can still go in and fill them in with my pencil. But if I just woke up and this was my face, this is what the brows look like. And I mean, I'm here for it. So now it is time to move on to lashes. I'm going to do my own individual lashes or something like individual lashes. These are the, I guess, the Look So Natural Trio Lash by Kiss. Okay guys, so I went ahead and washed my face after I did my brows, and I want to go ahead and do the dermaplaning now because my face is completely dry and I don't like to put product on my face when I do this. So before I put product like lotion or whatever on my face, I figured we just go ahead and dermaplane this. Let me go ahead and put some gloss on these dry lips. And you guys, this is the Maybelline gloss. This is the lifter gloss. This gloss is a really good dupe for the Rihanna Fenty gloss bomb. So y'all, and on an angle, I just kind of go down and I start here at the corner where my sideburns are, and I just lightly kind of rake down my face very, very lightly. And you guys, this gets off all the dead skin, the hair, the peach fuzz that you have on your face. It allows like the products to sink into your face a lot easier. Any like serums that you use, moisturizers that you use. It also helps with like, you know, any dark marks and things like that. I absolutely love it. It also helps your makeup go on like really smooth and flawless. So now that I'm looking like Casper the Ghost, I'm going to go ahead and just rinse my face off with water to just get all of the dead skin off. Or you can use a wet paper towel and just kind of wipe it down. And then I'm going to moisturize my face. I like this from First Aid Beauty. It's the Ultra Repair Cream. Alright, so now we're gonna jump into this. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Okay, so I'm gonna take my lash glue, which is from House of Lashes, and I'm just going to, oh, they have a little pocket here in the middle for that. And if you nick yourself, you guys, from the dermaplaning just a little bit, it's okay. Like, I literally just nicked myself just a tiny bit. But I'm gonna go ahead and brush my lashes out. All right, and then I'm going to start from the outside and work my way in. I don't know why, I think I saw that somewhere on some YouTube video. So I'm just gonna take, okay, so these are lash trios. Then I'm gonna dip it in the glue pocket. Allow it to dry a little bit. All right, and then I'm going to apply them to the end, as close to my lash line as I can get them. So if I look down, pop them right here on the end. Boom. All right, and then I just make sure it's pressed in pretty tight, and then I'm just gonna move on to the next one. Pop it out with my tweezers. I'm using a pair of Revlon tweezers. Dip it in my glue. Give it a little shake. Again, close my eyes and drop it right on top. So I stopped in the middle of the eye with the medium length. Now I'm going to go in with the short length at the more inner corner. Okay guys, so we have one eye done. I mean, it's cute. Mind you, this is my first time. Did I mention that this is my first time doing this? So one eye down, let's move on to the second eye. Okay guys, so I'm done with the eyelashes. I think they came out really good. That was like my first time doing that. I've done them before, I think, with individual lashes, but with the cluster lashes, that was my first time. So it was a little bit hard lining them up perfectly. And I don't know if I used the right glue because it's, I don't know, it's giving a little bit shiny. But I am going to go ahead and throw some makeup on and maybe a little bit of eyeliner to kind of cover that up. But overall, I think they came out good. I think they do look natural. I didn't want them like too long and crazy. But yeah, I just want that kind of wake up and like look good look. So next we got to do these nails. You guys, these nails are raggedy, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so here is the hair, the brows, and the lashes. But I already feel 100 times better. I literally don't have to be out here embarrassing my baby. And so yeah, you guys, I would say definitely invest in a couple of things at home so that you can take care of yourself and give yourself some TLC at home on a budget. It doesn't take long. Just some things that you can do at home. A nice wig with some quality hair. You guys, I will leave my coupon code for Indique hair down below. You get 15% off with the code NajaDiamond. So yeah, so you guys, anything that I used during this video, it will be left down below. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. That's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.